Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video today. So today, in this video, you see this? It's my GoPro. I'm about to go skimboard across my yard because it's raining out and it sounds really fun. So yeah, without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, wish me luck. Kinda worked. Alright, wait. I'm gonna try to go all the way across and then fall into the water.
Bad, dude.
Come on.
Need a little bit more speed, bro.
No, it stopped. Woo! It's so cool. Go. Alright guys, I got the GoPro head strap on. I look like a total dweeb. But yeah, I'm about to go hit some more waves. Alright, let's get this. Woo! Alright. Alright guys, so we are done skimboarding. It is the next day. There wasn't really much skimboarding footage because my GoPro decided to not be waterproof, even though it is waterproof, and just decide to just stop filming. I didn't really realize. So now we're gonna go climb a big tree. All right, we're down into the deep, dark woods.
What's up, boys?
We're gonna go climb this tree. We're gonna climb so high to see who asks, but I'll let you know if we ever get there. All right, guys, we're down here, but here's the sketchy part. There's the tree. It's just all water. So we're gonna have to figure out how to get to the tree. We're gonna get you when we get there. This is so sketchy. Just looks like it. All right, guys, so as we're chilling up in this tree, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about what to expect coming up on my channel. So there is this barn by us, it's abandoned. Me and Dylan are gonna go check it out, possibly explore it. Shout out to Lucas Metz. I'll link his Instagram in the description. Thank you for giving me this idea. You are officially the GOAT. All right, Dylan is attempting to come down. It's so windy. Oh, okay. Let's go. Okay. Oh. Now the moment of truth. Will he make it? Can we get a dab? Alright guys, so if you like that video, please hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications. Come join the gang. We're posting bangers upon bangers like we always said. Stay tuned for the barn exploration tomorrow. And peace. See you in the next video.
See you guys.